Welcome to the in front of me VIVO Y33s, and I'll show you how to make the screenshot without buttons on this device. So we got the two ways. The first way, let's just go to the settings and here scroll down to the shortcuts and accessibility, and now just go to the S capture. And here you'll see the slide down with the 3 fingers to take a screenshot switcher. Just here tap on the switcher, and right now, as can you see, we can make a screenshot. And also we got here the second switcher, screenshot floating window. When you will just turn on the switch screenshot, when you will make the screen, take a screen, you can use it to quickly share or to edit the screen, as can you see. And now if you'll tap here to screen, you can also edit the share with someone, or you can delete. And for example, we'll change the size of our screen, right there, and we'll save that. And right now you can see and find your screenshot in your photos, as can you hear and as can you see here in our library. So and then the second way, you should go to the notification bar, and here you got the S capture icon. Just tap on this icon, and as can you see, you can make here the long screenshot. That means that you'll make a screenshot of your screen, the whole screen, and also the rectangle screenshot. For example, you can just select the section what you can make by screenshot. For example, this one, and you can save it, you can exit, or you can toggle that. For example, we'll save that, and now we can also share with this screen, and also you can find the screen in the same folder in your photos on your device. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.